Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're using Mailerlite to send newsletters or grow your email marketing, you need a solid way to organize your contacts. In today's video, I'll walk you through a foolproof, step-by-step guide on how to create lists in Mailerlite for 2025. Whether you're a beginner or just need a quick refresher, by the end of this video, you'll have a perfectly organized subscriber list ready to go. So, stick around. Log into your Mailerlite account. First, head over to Mailerlite.com. On the top right corner, click Login. If you've connected your Google account, you can simply click Sign in with Google for a faster login. Access the dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the Mailerlite dashboard. This is your control center, where you can manage subscribers, create campaigns, and track performance. Go to the Subscribers section. Look at the menu on the left-hand side and click Subscribers. This is the area where all your contact management happens, adding people, editing details, and most importantly, creating lists. Navigate to Groups inside the Subscribers section. You'll see an option called Groups. Now here's an important note. Mailerlite uses groups as lists. Groups let you segment and organize subscribers based on their interests, sign-up forms, or campaigns. Think of them as smart lists that keep everything tidy. Create a new group, click the Create Group button. A pop-up will appear asking for a name. This is where you give your list a descriptive, easy-to-recognize name. For example, monthly newsletter, VIP customers, or freebie sign-ups. Confirm and save. After naming your group, hit the Create button. That's it. You've successfully created a new list in Mailerlite. From here, you can start adding subscribers manually, importing a CSV file, or connecting your sign-up forms so new contacts automatically flow into this group. Quick tips for better organization. Be specific with names. Instead of List 1, go with something like March Webinar Leads. Use multiple groups. Don't lump everyone into one big list. Segmenting helps you send more targeted emails and improves open rates. Automate when possible. Pair your groups with Mailerlite automation to trigger welcome emails or special offers as soon as someone subscribes. And that's your full 2025 guide on how to create lists called groups in Mailerlite. With organized subscriber lists, your email marketing will be more effective and easier to manage. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy-to-follow marketing tips. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or want to see advanced Mailerlite strategies in a future video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.